Find the following if f of x equals x squared plus 3x plus 2 and g of x equals x plus 1. F divided by g of x. So first, we'll write that f divided by g of x is equal to f of x divided by g of x. And so we substitute in the expression for f of x, which is x squared plus 3x plus 2. And then we substitute in g of x, which is x plus 1. Now, sometimes you'd think leave it that way, but we should see if we can simplify. And it turns out we can because the numerator factors as x plus 2 times x plus 1, and the denominator is simply x plus 1. However, we can now cancel out the x plus 1 divided by x plus 1, which gives us a value of 1. And 1 times x plus 2 is simply x plus 2. We do have to make the note that x cannot be equal to negative 1, because it would make the denominator here 0. So f divided by g of x is equal to x plus 2, where x is not equal to negative 1.